Pawpaw, Sammy, and Bug here. Today I'm on Starkey Farmstead. They have created a walking food forest. They're working on it big time. They got a 1/4 acre here. They produce it's unbelievable. But a lot of mulch and and not much, no till. They're creating a food forest. Right now, we're fixing to plant apples. Figs is already planted. Peaches, pears, and I'm not sure what they look.
Gooseberry.
Gooseberry.
And pomegranate.
Right.
Pomegranate.
And they're looking for, and if you'll notice, they're planting it on this side, not that side. Because they want that afternoon and morning sun to hit.
That's
If
right.
they plant these trees over there, they're going to lose half their sun.
Also, well, all right, so we're changing our game up. We're evolving. We're learning as we go.
I just want to make sure I do it right.
We decided not to go as deep. So we decided to go with this type of gooseberry. Y'all, if you go to your state agricultural university, for Louisiana, that's LSU, they're going to tell you what brands of plants, like you see the name? This is one that grows really well in Louisiana. There were several I could have chose from, but I wanted one that's going to work in my zone. So do a little bit of research, guys.
Look at the thorns on that thing.
Yes, sir. It's the weirdest looking plant I've ever seen. Super excited though. Look, oh, this one's already blooming. Look at that.
It is.
All right, amen.
Now, you know, cannot believe it.
If you notice, it says when to plant outdoors, January through May. But you guys, I'm in Southeast Louisiana. If I wait to put this plant in the ground till May, it is never going to survive June, July, and August, y'all. I'm telling you, get your fruiting berries and trees into the soil now.
I'm going to dig way over here and make it go to that one. That way that...
Yeah, I was just fixing to say that.
It says dormant plants allow you to get a head start to the season. Due to this plant's dormant state, it can be planted as soon as the ground is workable. No need to wait till after the last frost. So that, you know, that's what I'm saying. Go ahead, you guys. Invest it. Look, this little bitty plant cost me $9.
When the berry in the dormant stage, make sure you unravel the roots.
Yeah, you see how he's
get 'em spread
gently...
Because these roots need to, the further they spread,
The stronger the plant.
that's right, the faster they grow, it's getting better nutrients.
Yeah, and see, Steve's going deep because he's going to, again, fill this hole full of rotted horse manure, compost, rotted hay, rabbit manure. Now, Pawpaw, tell them the most awesome part of rabbit manure.
Oh, Lord. It don't burn your plant, and it's an unbelievable fertilizer.
That's right.
Nitrogen,
It has a higher NPK than any other manure out there, and it does not have to be composted. Out the butt, in the garden. That's our rule. And look at us, getting smarter as we go. I told you guys, we learn here at Starkey Farmstead as we go. And my husband knew he'd be playing in this funky smelling hay that's been urinated on by rabbits, which is going to give an amazing nitrogen boost to this plant, you guys. I don't have to buy triple 13 or anything else to fertilize my trees.
No, that's a fact.
That's how we keep everything debt-free here. We put the time and work to grow everything from small rather than investing in $300 trees. Look, we've been in a drought in Southeast Louisiana for the past 4 years since I've been farming here. And I'm going to tell y'all the truth. If we did not no-till heavy mulch, we would not be able to have grown food these last couple of years.
If people would come here, about where the chicken coop is, show them. Right about there is where she started, her and Stephen 3-4 years ago. We're putting down newspaper, cardboard, and raking every leaf within a mile of this place in the woods, carrying it out there and piling it on the ground on top of the newspaper. Now, if you was to plant the whole 1/4 acre right now and come over here in 6 or 8 weeks, you wouldn't have to be told what the original was, because it's got a year head start.
Yeah, on the soil
It
health.
looked like a different garden altogether right there, that little spot.
Oh yeah, it always
All
does.
right, quick question. Where's the tree at? So I make sure Samson didn't eat it. Okay.
He won't eat that
Y'all
one,
are
son.
adorable. He wouldn't take but one nibble.
One bite of that one, here's how cute.
Y'all
he
look
is.
how cute. Samson's in training. Right now, in his brain, he's wondering how
Why do
difficult.
I get in trouble for digging and my dad's sitting over here digging?
Exactly. I was going to say, in his mind, he's thinking how long it would take him to dig up what they just planted. But it won't happen but one time. And the German Shepherd's up because they get a little rough when Mama's making videos and she's not, you know, watching them.
All right, Steven. How much deeper you want to go with it?
Well, the roots is about that deep.
Okay, so
So we set it right there on top and fill the dirt up. You got
Yeah, okay. What he's saying is bring it up to, bring
we
it to
set
him.
Right about right there and
All
just
right.
fill up to it.
I feel like a dog.
Oh, y'all are adorable. I love you guys. Thank y'all for coming and doing this for me. I just had major mouth surgery. I got 60 plus stitches in my mouth. I literally look like a
still
chipmunk. God, right? They once stitched my tongue to my jaw and I wouldn't shut up. So, I mean, God knows you can't shut a redneck girl up. Something else we like to do is kind of crumble that grass up, but we put the grass back in the holes.
You can.
Because as it dies, it's putting off nitrogen, guys. It's all using what you have in your hands to feed your soil.
And they say do not pack the dirt, like don't tamp it down around the plant.
No, just kind of push it. That's right.
Yeah, use your thumb.
I seen that on a paper.
That's right. Yeah, we're learning. But that's why we got my dad out here. Because sometimes you need to have somebody that's got more experience. My dad has probably helped create food forest in more states
All right.
than most
That
people
looks
have
good.
traveled. So this is important. Oh, that looks phenomenal.
So let's get the watering on it.
Look at that, you guys. I'm so excited.
Come back next week and the frost's gonna kill it.
You better hush that mouth. I rebuke you, Daddy. Always water it really well, you guys. And if you remember from the pomegranate, now it's time to put the heavy mulch. Plant, water, heavy mulch.